Hello. Today we're going to think through another letter in our alphabet and its sound. I want you to repeat these words after me. Say the word cat, cousin, cake, call, cup. Let's say them again. This time when we say them, I want you to think about the sound at the beginning of each of these words. Cat. Say cousin. Cake. Call. Cup. The sound that comes at the beginning of all of these words is the sound k. Make the sound k. Make it again. K. Great. Now let's think about what our mouth does when we make that sound k. What happens to your tongue? What happens to the air? Does it come out of your mouth? What shape does your mouth make? Can you feel it in your throat at all? Let's make this sound again. K. Now you make the sound. K. I notice something about my tongue when I make that sound. When I make the k sound, I feel my tongue curl like it's pointing at the back of my throat. And then it drops to the bottom of my mouth. Try it and see if that happens to your tongue. Make the sound k. You feel it, how it curls? I feel it too. K. That one is hard to feel in my throat. I feel it moving, but I don't feel the vibration. K. K. I do feel some air coming out though. Do you feel air coming out? K. At the end, I feel that air. K. I feel it come out at the end. This is the sound k for letter C. C, cat, k. Now you say it. C, cat, k. Good. Letter C looks like this. Uppercase C starts at the top, curls around, and comes down to the bottom and curls up. The cool thing about letter C is we only have to remember one movement. Uppercase C looks the same as lowercase c, but this lowercase c is just smaller. So lowercase c looks like this. Curves around, down, and curves up. C, cat, k. You say it. C, cat, k. You got it. All right, now we're going to do some thinking with some words that have the k sound in it. If you need a paper and pencil or something to write with and something to write on, press pause and go get it. On my board, I'm going to write a word that has the k sound in it. We know the k sound means letter C. Your job is to figure out what sound is missing in the word that I'm writing. Let me give you an example. I'm going to write the word cup. I gave you the k, not the next sound, and the p. What letter is missing in the middle of the word cup? Write that letter onto your paper. Cup is the word. K, p, cup. What letter goes here? K, What letter says I hope you wrote letter U. This is one we've already learned before. C-U-P spells cup. All right, here's your next one. On my board, I want to write the word cub. I'm not going to give you the first letter. B. What letter comes first in the word cub? Write it on your paper. Cub is the word. What letter goes first? I hope you wrote down letter K, C, cub. All right, here's another one. This is the word cut. I'm going to give you K and the middle sound, but not the last sound. Write on your board the ending sound in the word cut. What letter makes the sound at the end? Write it on your paper. Cut. Okay, let's do it together. K, t. Which letter makes the sound t? T, T, top, t. Cut. Make sure you have T on your paper as well. Here's another one. This time I'm writing the word cat. I'm not going to give you the middle sound. You have the beginning and the end. What sound goes in the middle for the word cat? K, t. Which sound? Cat. Write it on your paper. Cat is the word. We'll do it together in 3, 2, 1. We have k, a apple, a. Did you write down a apple, a on your paper? I hope so. If not, fix it now. Cat. Here's our last one. This time I'm writing the word calf. I'm not going to give you the first sound. I'm going to give you the second and the third sound. Calf. What sound and letter goes first? Write it on your paper. Calf. We'll talk about it in 3, 2, 1. Calf. What does my mouth do there for k? I feel my tongue curve. K, C, cat, k, k, a, f, calf. Now you know the sound that letter C makes. When you see it in a word, you know to make the sound k. Perfect work. Have a great day.